Hi, I'm Zonito and you are here. We make the Malunggay iced tea. It's Malunggay okra and luya. Here we go. I'll show you that. This is the Malunggay okra luya, and it makes you 17 glasses. The advantages, it gives you, if you're constipated, it makes you better, feels you better. And if you're, let's say, if you lack sleep, so this is rich in iron, so mas masarap ang tulog mo. And if you're lactating, actually, dumadami yung gatas. And if you have energy, this is good energy for you. This is high in iron, calcium, potassium, and this is the only vegetable iced tea in the Philippines.
So you mix that with water?
Yeah, you mix it with water. So 4 tablespoons and 1 glass of water. And then if you're diabetic, so you will have tea mix. So it's just boil and then add water and 4 tablespoons and make 1 pitcher, and that's it. And you drink it every day. And then this one is malunggay powder. So every time you cook, what you do is you just sprinkle 1 tablespoon in every food that you make, then your food becomes very nutritious. And we have malunggay, chingali, there you go. And we also have kamote cassava chips. Yay!
One of the best burgers in Manila is at Monster Burger, which has been tucked away within Makati's weekend street markets, the Salcedo Saturday Market and Legazpi Sunday Market. But now they serve daily at the Pioneer Street Market in Mandaluyong. They have been grilling home-grinded Australian beef chuck burgers with 30% fat content since 2003. You can expect a consistently juicy and perfectly seasoned quarter pounder and half pounder cheese.